You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city located in Louisiana. We'll be looking at how to say more names that many struggle with of famous places in the US. Stay tuned. In British English it's said as Baton Rouge, really, Baton Rouge, but in the US it's pronounced more as Baton Rouge. In French, for reference, it means red stick and would be said as Baton Rouge, but in the US, in Louisiana, Baton Rouge. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, it helps me a lot, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.